Hello everyone, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So I'm back with another tutorial video of how you can create a Spotify account. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So to get started, you can create a Spotify account from the official website of Spotify, or you can also create a Spotify account from the application of Spotify. So here I'm using a Spotify website in order to create an account. So what I'm doing is visiting the official website of Spotify by just typing spotify.com and hitting the enter. Once you have done it, you will be appear with this type of screen interface. This is the official website of Spotify. Now here you can see the option sign up and login. So in order to create an account, simply tap on sign up. Once you tap on it, you'll be appear with the sign up page. So now type in your email address and tap on next. Once it's done, create a strong password that you can remember and again tap on next. Now type down your name, date of birth, and then type down your gender or select your gender. Once that's done, again tap on next and then tap I agree to Spotify terms and conditions of use and tap on sign up, and then you will be successfully signed up to Spotify and your account on Spotify will be created. So that's all guys. I hope you found the video to be helpful and informative. If yes, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.